All right, let's get straight to it. 2013 Dodge Challenger. This is a 3.6 liter engine. All right, so let's get this cover up. Just grab underneath and just pull straight up, just like that. And in the back, just like that, the cover is up, and now we can see everything that we need to see. So if you're looking for your map sensor on this vehicle, once you get this cover off, you can see it very clearly right here. We even have some part numbers for you just in case this helps, but it's a very simple part. Once you get this wire harness off here, then you'll be able to turn this. So right now the wire harness is stopping it from turning. So once you get that wiring harness, then it can clear this piece here. You turn it all the way to the left past this, and then you can pull it up and then pop your new one down, turn it back to the right once it drops down, and then put your harness back on, and then that stops it from turning back off again. So it's very, very simple to change these. This is your map sensor, your Manifold Absolute pressure sensor. Very easy to change, and this is how you locate it and change it.